All right, we're back getting ready to paint this right here. We got my surface primer, gray. Got the Camino prepped up, body nice and dull. It's been sanded with 400 grit and soapy water. Got a little audience right here just chilling, waiting on me. All right, let's get started. Shake up this pan. Been shaking it for a minute, so we're ready. All right, here we go. Just turn it around. All right, there. So as you can see, did not bombard or cover up the whole body all crazy. Sun's blazing right now, so this is gonna dry up. Let it chill for a little bit. Then pretty much this coat is already showing me some imperfections. I can stop here and let it dry completely and then fix those imperfections and shoot more primer, but I'm just gonna go ahead and hit it with a little more primer. After that, I'm gonna let this dry for maybe about 3 hours. Then I'll come back to it later and I'll continue working on it. And then once I come back and work on it, I'll fix the imperfections with my glue and accelerator, sand it down, get it nice and smooth, and hit it one last time with primer. Once that's done, I'll let it chill for maybe about another 30 minutes to an hour, and I'll proceed on with the paint. All right, so let's go ahead and hit it. Yeah, it looks pretty dry because the sun's pretty hot right now. It's out right now, so hit it with some more. So what we're doing is we're building up our primer. Okay. So as you can see, it's a little bit more getting there. There's no rush. There's no, I don't gotta be bombarding it all crazy. It's a little windy out right now too, so I'm just kind of waiting as the wind kind of chills out. Yeah, hit it right here from the top. Sorry for the camera movements, doing it with one hand. All right guys, so we'll be back with the next part.